So in this quick guide, we'll take you through the process of creating a new translation project in Bablic. Bablic has already been linked up to the website, so now we can press on in the Bablic dashboard. First of all, I'm going to scroll down to the translation projects in the left-hand menu. We can see we've already got one project in place, so I'm going to select New Translation Project. I'm going to select the language, so I've set up two languages within Bablic in the initial settings. I'm going to select German, press Continue. So it automatically selects every page that it can find on the website, so any link that's been connected up to another page. At the moment, we're going to keep it quite simple, and we're just going to select 4 pages. So I'm going to click on None, which will deselect every page in the menu, and then manually find the pages that I want to add to the project. First of all, that / means it's the home page, and we want that translated, so I'm going to tick that one. Then I'm going to scroll down to About Us, if I can find it. Next up, we have Customer Support. And finally, Sales Team. Just waiting for that to catch up, and we can see we've got 4 pages and 1,500 words between them. So now we can create a new project, and we can see that the prices are starting from $167. That would be US dollars to translate those pages. So I can now press Create Project, and we can see the projects are selected. I can now choose the supplier for the service. And we've got preset prices here. So we want to select business option if we can. And this business option here looks like the best option. So I'm going to go ahead with that and press Select. I'm going to select, for the purpose of the content, in this case it's for professional use. Tone, I want it to be business tone. It's an optional feature here to add additional notes. The content on this project is pretty straightforward, so I'm good to go, and I'm going to press Send Translation. It comes up with a warning. I selected the best option for this particular project because we're looking business to business, and it's a large manufacturing company. I want to make sure that I've got a good balance between price and quality of the content. I'm going to send the project, at which point then it will take the payment, and once we press Done, the project then gets sent to the translator. They will then translate it over a period of a few days, and at which point then you get the chance to review and send amendments back to the translator. Of course, you can create your own internal projects. You can add an admin access to a translation company that you've already got a relationship with, and therefore you can skip this whole process and work directly with them. At Pixelhaze, we can provide training to translation companies or translators to help them along their way if needed. But the software is pretty straightforward, as you can see from this example.